live class here, and we're about to start. Stay tuned. Okay, let me share it to this is the board. I hope you can see it clearly. Let me share it to others so that they can join. Fast. Come in, copy the link, and then okay, we're about to start right now. To see whether you are live. I'm live here. Okay, fast. So today too, Diana is here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, try as much as possible to subscribe. Try as much as possible to subscribe to the channel. We're about to start right now. I want to see whether you can hear me well and you can see everything clearly from there. I want to see whether you can hear me well and you can see everything clearly. The board is not that clear. I can manage. Oh. Okay, so this morning will be fast. You'll be really fast because things to do today. We have some place to go to this morning. We have emergency meeting to go. Dinah is here. My princess is here. The only princess in the whole world. I hope you can see the board clearly. Okay. Okay, so let's start. This one we are coming to. We solved some questions yesterday, so I want to summarize how to solve three set problems. Fast. So for you to solve three set problems has 8 regions. It has 8 regions. Okay, so this is 3 set problem. It has 8 regions. Let's take that this is A, this set is A, this is B, this is C, right? And then the whole set is what? U. So I'm coming to teach you how to go about it, the strategies, and then I listen. My princess is listening. So I'm coming to teach you how, and then the strategies you can go by it. When it comes to the shading part, they can ask you to shade some regions. Okay, we already explained and we already talk about the regions, and this is first region, second region. They have 8 regions. Now we want to note some terminologies when it comes to 3 set problems. So with 3 set problems, we've already done this topic, but we want to cover up fast. So this is quick revision. For 3 set problems, whenever you are asked to, and even the 2 set problem, whenever you are asked to shade some region, maybe they will ask you to shade A intersection B. I advise you guys that you should use numbers, so you can redraw it again. Use numbers. This is A, this is B, this is C. So you should number the regions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 8, after numbering the regions, then maybe when they ask you to choose For A intersection B, it's very simple. You can shade them without, you can shade the region without looking anywhere. A intersection B is the where or the area that overlap, the area that overlap between the set A and set B, right? So what is the area? 2 and what? It's 2 and 5. I said the area, the entire area that overlap with what? A and B. So this is A. This whole circle is what? A. This whole circle is what? A. And then this whole circle is what? B, right? So since this is whole is A, this is whole is B, when they say A intersection B, they are referring to this area. They're referring to where? This area. This is A intersection B. Say na two, say na two. When I say say na two, it means that what? It means that what? It means that what? Listen so that you will hear it well. Say na two. Listen so that you hear it well. So now, this one is simple. Let me tell you something. When they say A intersection B only, when they say only, that's whereby it will be only 2. It will be only 2, which is this region. So this one will be, this one is 2 and 5. So when they say A and intersection B only, A intersection B only, that's whereby is what? Region what? 2. Do you understand? When they say A intersection B, it means region 2 and region what? 5. Is it clear? Okay, now what is the region? What is the region between? Please hold on, I'm coming. Please a minute, I'll be right back. Hello guys, I'm really sorry. Let's continue. Let's continue. So I was saying that with this one, this is 3 sets problem. Now whenever you are solving, whenever they say look for, or let me say whenever they say those who study maybe both A and B, both A and B, both A and B is region what? Region 2 and 5. Whenever they say both A and B, you can take note. Both A and B. Both A and B is region 2 and 5. Please, if you don't see it clearly, or if you're having problem with anything, you can comment below. I will see it here. I will see it here. So I'm watching all your comments. If you understand, if you don't understand, you can comment here so that I will know. Now, whenever they say A and B only, A and B only, let's know it's different. A and B only, it means region 2. Then are you listening? Say na too, you I already explained that say na into fanta. If you don't understand fanti, say na means what? Say na means what? Yeah, listen so that you hear. So that this is how it is. It's region 2 and or region 5. Region 2 and region 5. That is for both. But okay, whenever they say A and B, let me say those who study both A and B only. Both what? A and B only. Both A and B only. It means region what? Region 2. And if you're watching me, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, try as much as possible to subscribe and let me know whether you understand what I'm teaching here or not. Now let's continue. They can ask you to find there are certain terms here. So if you the first term, let me say when I talk about both, so both subjects and both only, the regions and both only, the regions too. Now the both here is the same as exactly 2. The both here is the same as what? Exactly 2. Exactly 2. They can say those who study exactly 2 subjects. Exactly 2 subjects. It means both only. It means what? Both only. Exactly 2 subjects. It means both only. Exactly 2 subjects means what? Both only. Those who study both only. That is exactly 2 subjects. Okay. Now, so have you seen that there are 2? They said exactly 2 subjects, exactly games, exactly food, exactly 2 foods. All those things, exactly. It means what? It means what? Both only. So now let's continue. They can also use this term. Let me see. They can also use this term. I want to find something. There are so many terms that they can use. Okay, now we are done with those. We are done with this region. The next term that they can also use, that maybe those who studied 3 subjects. 3 subjects. This one is clear. 3 subjects. What will be the region? Region what? Region 5. Region 5. Region 5. You can say those who study 3 subjects. Then that means region 5. When they ask you for those who study I don't know whether those who are watching can clearly hear. Okay, they can see it clearly. So if you don't see it clearly, you can comment below. I will see it and then try as much as possible for you to see it. Okay, so now let's come back to this one. That is 3. When they also say exactly 2 subjects is here. So exactly 2 subjects means what? It means what? Exactly 2 subjects. So which region? Exactly 2 subjects. Region 2, 4, and 6. Fantastic. Fantastic. That's it. So when they say those who study exactly 2 subjects, region 2, 4, and 6. How about those who study both A and C? Region what? Region 4. Good. Good one there. Both A and C is region 4. How about those who study let me see. There are some words that those who study none of the 3 subjects. None of the 3 subjects. When they say none of the 3 subjects. Region 8. That is the last region. They don't study any of them. Okay. Let's go through. Those who study only one subject. So when they say only one subject, they are referring to which region? 1, 3, and 7. That is this region. This region. 1, 3, and what? And then 7. 1, 3, and 7. 1, 7. Let me redraw it again so that it will be bigger than this. Mhm. My princess, are you there? Okay, my princess is here. Okay, good one there. So this is number of u as we did. This is number of, it's not u, it's number of u. It's not u, it's number of u. When you write the u, it's wrong. This is number of a. This is number of b. Number of what? C. Okay. So now after this one, I told you to number it. So let's number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. This 4, 5, 6. Okay. So let's see. I want us to get some of the key terms. They can also say this one, maybe they can also ask you to find those who study maybe A and B but not C. A and B but not C. A and B but not C. What will be the region? A and B but not C. What will be the region? Mm-hmm. 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 That's all. Good one there. So it will be region 1, 2, and 3. Those who study A and B, but not what? But not C. So you will take this one from it. You will take the C and then the outside one from it. That's it. That's it. This is simple. Okay, how about those who we talk about exactly this one, exactly two, and another one, then we talk about all those things. So I think this is the main key terms that you should take note of. That you should take note of. And you have to also take note of this. I told you that whenever they give you question, and then they say, whenever they give you question, then they said that maybe, okay, don't clean this one. Whenever they give you question, they give you number of A intersection B. Number of A intersection B as maybe 15. Number of A intersection B intersection C as what? As maybe 5. Now I'm coming to demonstrate it, or they're coming to fill this Venn diagram here. They're coming to fill it here. Where will this one be? Where will this one be? You where? This side. And then A intersection A, B intersection C will be where? That's a big mistake. That's a big mistake. You see, I told you that A intersection B region is what region? Yeah, only. A intersection, I told you that this is what most students make mistake. Oh. 3-set problem is not difficult. This is what always confuses students. I told you that when they say intersection, where they meet. So what is A? A is this one. What is B? B is this one. Where do they meet? Where? Come and show me here. Where? This side and this side. Because see, they meet here. They meet where? Here. So this is the region for intersection. This is the region for intersection. You shouldn't forget it. So this is referring to, it means it's for this side and then this side. This 15 that you are referring to is for what? This side and what? This side. So whenever they give, take note of this. Take note of this. Write it. Write it. I'm talking to you, Diane, my princess. I'm talking louder so that it will enter into your ears. And then, okay, someone said 1, 2, 3. For the regions, we for the regions, region 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me name. I don't know the question that you're referring to, so kindly maybe is it the one that you were talking about? Someone said region. Maybe you should, whenever you are commenting below, you can add something to it. Maybe this question that you asked is for this, so that you can able to know exactly what you are talking about. Okay, so I was saying that now when they give you intersection A and B, intersection A intersection B equals 15, and then we have number of A intersection B intersection C is what? 5. Number of A intersection B intersection C is 5. Always students confuse themselves with what? With writing the 15 here. Let me renumber the regions. Let me renumber the regions again. Up here, maybe up here will be better, so that you can refer to them up here. That's that. So this one, and then this one. This is the region. I don't know whether you can see it clearly. Let me know if you can see it clearly. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. A, B, C. A, B, C. Now let's continue. So with this one, I was saying that whenever they give you that A intersection B is equals 15, it doesn't mean that A intersection B is here. That's wrong. It's not. Doesn't mean that it's in region 2. That is really wrong. That's not common students. You are different, so you should do different thing. That's most common students do. You are not common. You are not that common. You are not common. So this side is not for 15. It's for both region 2 and 5, which is the intersection of and then this region. And then the 5 here is for this side. So this is what you should take note. Note. Write it down. Write it down right now. Write it down right now. Note. Whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, write. Oh, sorry. Whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, so whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, so bring column there. Whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, bring column there, or semicolon. Represent a Venn diagram, representing it on a Venn diagram. So after whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, bring semicolon. So representing it on a Venn diagram, representing it on a Venn diagram. You see the way I'm shouting, you can't sleep. The way I'm shouting, you can't sleep. So whenever you are solving 3 sets problem, semicolon, representing it on a Venn diagram, write the number of, all that, which is write, for instance, write into brackets. You can bring this one, write intersection number of A intersection B intersection C first. In other words, I want to tell you that you should write the one for all the 3 subjects first. The one for all the 3 subjects first. You should write which one first? The one for all the 3 subjects, which is the middle. You should write the number there first. That's the first thing you should do. If there is nothing, or if you're not given, use the variable. This is the variable that's supposed to write it first. Talking to you. Okay. Yes. So I was saying that you should write which one first. This one first. You should write it first. It's really necessary. It's really necessary. That's what you're supposed to write first before you start every week. You do write first. Uh-huh. C first. The one in the middle first. The one in the middle first. Okay. That's what you're supposed to do first. Now after that, after this one, after writing this one, then thereby you will able to deduct it from it. Then you won't get confused. So whenever they ask for, so this one for instance, this one will be 5, right? Then A intersection B is 15, which means here plus here should give us what? 15. Do you understand? Which means region 2 plus region 5 should give us what? 15. Good one there. So region 2 plus region 5 should give us 15. And since region 2 plus region 5 should give us 15, and we are having 5 here, that means this region should be what? 10. Fantastic, my girl. Fantastic, my girl. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. Is it clear? Is it clear? You see, three-step problem is not difficult, but I think earlier I imagine you understand everything. Please in the comment section whether you understand it or not, whether you understand everything is clearly or not. Okay, so the next one too, if you're watching me here, you can also share it to some of your friends and those about to write an object, and then all those people, you can share the WhatsApp and the YouTube channel to them so that they will also enjoy this free class. Now let's continue. Let's continue this one. So you're done with this one. Now when they say maybe intersection A intersection number of A intersection C equals number of A intersection C equals 20. What will you write here? 15. 9. That's good. That's good. So here will be 15. The reason is that A intersection C is what? Is this region. Is this region, which is region 4 and region what? 5. So here will be 15. Is it clear? Is it clear? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now let's come back to this side. This side, how about when they ask you to, this is C. When they ask that, or when they say number of C intersection or B intersection C, B intersection C equals what? B intersection C equals 30. What will be here? What will be region 6? 25. Fantastic, my girl. Fantastic, my girl. 9. 25. So now you got to realize that now, do you understand right now? Someone is talking. Hello, please, a minute. I'm coming right now. Okay, so as I was saying, I think we are having a class. You should go and lock the gate for me. Go and lock the gate so that they won't interrupt us. So as I was saying, if you have any questions about this, you can ask me. We are coming to solve more tricky questions on this one. We are coming to solve more tricky questions on this one. So take this question and let's try. Take this question and let's try. Fast, fast, fast. Take this question and let's try fast, fast, fast. If you have any question, you can ask You can ask in the comment section. Try as much as possible to share it to some of your friends in other schools in SHS. At least share to about 10 people. At least share to about 10 people to join the class for its effective sake. Okay, so let's take this question. I won't be able to post it on the screen. I'm reading it, so write it as I read. There are 30 students in a class. 20 of them play football. There are 30 students in a class. 20 of them play football. You are trying this one. There are 30 students in a class. 20 of them play football. That you should start with let. You see. Okay. So in representation, you should start with let. Let me teach the representation of set. When you are solving question in examination hall, you can start writing these values. So Diana, read it out. I'm coming. You take the microphone. Then read it. Fast. Okay, can't hear.
There are 30 students in a class. 20 of them play football.
There are 30 students in a class, so it means number of you. This is what, when you are solving a question, you should be writing. Number of you should leave a space here. Number of you equals 30.
20 of them play football.
20 of them play football. So 30 students, 20 of them play football. So you will use F to represent football. So you can say number of, let me write it here. Number of F equals what?
20.
20,
16 play hockey.
16. So number of H equals what? 16.
And 16 play volleyball.
16 play volleyball. So you can say number of, let me write it here. Number of V equals what? 16.
9 play all 3 games.
9 play all 3 games. So all 3 games means number of what? Number of what? F intersection H intersection what? V equals what? 9. Fantastic. Equals 9.
15 play football and volleyball.
15 play football and volleyball. So football and volleyball means what? Football intersection volleyball. So football, number of football intersection what? F intersection what? V equals 15. Fantastic. Then
11 play football and hockey.
11 play football and hockey. So number of F intersection H equals 11.
Whilst 10 play hockey.
10 play hockey and volleyball. So number of hockey and volleyball H intersection V equals what? 10. Let's continue.
Illustrate the information.
Is that illustrate the information on a Venn diagram? Good one there. Now, the reason why I'm asking you to start with this is that whenever you are solving question in examination, you are on the hurry. So this information will help you. And whenever you are starting set, you start with let. So when you start, you have to bring let u equals maybe students in a class or total students in a class. Students in class. After that, then after students in class, then you write number of u equals this. So you can write it here. Number of u. Let me move it upwards a bit. Number of u equals what? 30. So here, this u is representing what? Students in class. So number of what? Students in class. equals 30. Do you understand? You shouldn't write into bracket number of, you shouldn't write it here, the number of students, you shouldn't write it here, it should be students in a class. Then here too, this side should be students, so F equals students, sorry, F equals students who play football, students who play football. Students who play football, then number of what? Students who play football. Understood? Then here too, H. I want to bring it downwards a bit. So H equals, so this let is representing for all of this. Let H equals what? Students who play volleyball. Then you close it. That's it. Then after that you write number of what? Number of what? H equals what? 16. So it's the same thing here too. Hey, this is hockey. This is for hockey. This is for hockey.
Yeah. 16 to play.
Okay. So this one is for hockey. Is it a spelling? Is it a spelling? This one, okay. This one. Okay, right? And then this side is volley. So this side to V equals students who play a volley. This one is volley. Volley, okay. This side is volley. Now after that you write the rest, you can just write this one. The reason is that for the examiner to know that this U is representing this F is representing it, this H is representing this, but they don't mark it, but it's necessary. They don't mark it, but it's necessary. You won't be awarded any marks together with it. You won't be awarded any marks together with it, but it's really necessary. Yes. And after that, I think after this one, that's all. Then you start with the representation on the Venn diagram, right? You start with the representation on the Venn diagram. So this is number of U. Number of U is already. Number of U is already here. Okay. So this one will be number of U equals what? 30. Here will be 30. The number of what? Number of F equals what? 20. Then number of what? Number of what? H. Number of H equals what? 16. Number of V equals 16. So when you come here, I told you that you should know that you should write the intersection first. So whenever you want to, maybe if this one was not given and you want to represent a variable, do is that you have to write it here. Maybe so it should be number of F intersection H intersection V equals what? X. You should write it there before writing it here. I hope you understand. That's all. So here, this side is going to be 9, right? 9, then 9 after that. They said F intersection V equals 15. So where is going to be 15? Where is going to be 15? Intentionally asked where is going to be 15. I know you will say this place is going to be 15. I know you will say this place is going to be 15, but that is not it. That's not how you're going to do it. So they said F intersection V equals 15, which is F intersection V is here, which is this side, this region. That's why I intentionally asked. I thought you would say that here it will be 15. So you will deduct 9 from it. When you deduct 9 from 15, what will be the answer? 6. Fantastic. So here will be 6. It's not be 15. The 15 is the sum of this one. The 15 is the sum of this one. Now let's check up this one. Let's check up this side. So this side, for they said F intersection H equals 11. So what will be 11? Where is going to be 11? Here is going to be 11.
No,
what point will be it's going to be what? Have you off it? This one?
No.
Okay. let me type that one so that when this one goes up. So I'm coming right now. Yeah, so as I was saying, here, this is 9. They said F intersection H is what? 11. F intersection H, that is this side. F intersection H is this side. It's not this side. So you won't write 11 here, but it will be what? 2, because the sum of this one should give us what? 11. In other words, you deduct the 9 from the 11. Fantastic. That's all. Please let me know whether you understand everything you are doing here. Now this side 2, this side 9, this is 9. This is 9, right? They said H intersection V. H intersection V, right? Is 10. This is 10. And then this is this region. So here would be what? Would be 1. That's it. So now we are done with this side. Let's see the question. The question and let's see the question. The question is demanding.
P.
So read it out.
Using your Venn diagram, find the number of students who play at least 2 games.
So you said using the Venn diagram, find the what? Number of students who play at least 2 games. Okay. So at least 2 games. At least 2. Good one there. So based on this question, you're able to bring up another term. When I say, what does it mean? At least 2 games. When I say at least 2 games, what does it mean? Yeah, if you are watching me here, let me know where you are watching from. Let me know your name and where you are watching from. It's really necessary. Let me know your name and where you are watching from. So they said you should find those who play at least what? 2 games. At least 2 games, right? At least 2 games. So you see that at least 2 games. What does it mean? It's a simple English. What does it mean? At least 2 games. What does it mean? It means what? At least 2 games, sir. Let me give you the microphone. Let me give you the microphone. Take it. Oh no, take it. Let me hang it. Let me hang it for you. So he said it means what? It means what?
It means that this one.
Which one?
At least play these places.
It means these places. Okay, at least 2 games. What does it mean in simple English?
That means they're reading 8.
No, I'm asking when I say at least two foods. What does it mean when I say at least 2 food? Oh, and bring me some of the food, but bring at least 2 food.
That means that the least that most of the people took is 2, not 1.
Good one there. So the least one is that at least. So the one you have 2. Is that answer? So it means that at least. So the least one you should take is what? The least one you should take is what? 2. Is it clear? It means that okay. So I was saying that it means that the least one said at least 2. When they say at least one, what does it mean? At least one, what does it mean?
At least 1. That means that nobody took nothing.
Nobody took
Nothing.
nothing. And how about at least 2?
That means that the least that everybody took is 2.
2. Fantastic. Fantastic. So it means 2 and what? 2 or more. Is it clear?
Yeah.
It means what? 2 or more. If it means 2 or more, then where will be the region? What will be the region for at least 2?
This place.
I want you to touch it and for us to see where. What will be the region, exact region?
This place. Or here.
It's here past. No, don't say or here. And here. Is it or and? Which one? So we have.
This place and here.
Okay, so it means that it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 region, which is good. Which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? That's why you're called my princess. Okay, so now it will be this region. So we are looking for those who took at least 2, right? So it will be region this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. So whenever you are solving this, you can say from the diagram, I want to let me clean up here and solve it here. So you can say they said you should ask for those who took at least. So number of at least 2. At least 2. Number of at least 2 is equal to number of at least 2 should be equal to you can go straight to the point. And you can also show work in showing the region, the exact regions, right? Which is you can say intersection N intersection what? F and look at it too. Intersection F. So you can say you add this side. It will be long process, but you can just go straight to the point. So this one is going to be what? 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus what? 6, which is going to be here is 7, here is 11, 18. So 18 people took at least 2 games, right? So let's move on to the next question. The next question, fast.
Next question.
Fast, yes.
Okay.
Fast.
How many students play exactly one game?
How many students played exactly one game? Exactly one game. So how many students played exactly one game? Exactly one game is what region? Which region?
This region.
Wait, this region. So it means you have to find this site. For us to, you can use a variable to represent there, right? And so you can use A, B, and C to represent here. Now note that I told you whenever you introduce a variable here, you should show it here, right? You show it. So as a matter of fact, you can, here is A, B, C. You can just say for us to get this side will be you can say F only, number of F only, number of F only is acceptable equals A. You understand? Then you come back to number of what? H only equals what? B. Number of V only equals what? C. So after that, we are coming to find C. So the same student who took what? At least one subject, right? So at least one subject here, I is equal to, that is A. At least one subject. So number of, is it at least one subject?
Exactly one.
Exactly one. So exactly one student is going to be A plus B plus C, which is this side plus this side plus this side. So we'll be having this side. So this side, how are we going to find this side? So after writing A plus B plus C, you can come back into bracket. So the first bracket is representing how you're going to find what? A. So the A, we can deduct all of this side, which is 2 plus 9 plus 6 minus what? 20. No, 20 minus that rather. So it should be 20 minus what?
17.
Let me do this. because I want to introduce another bracket. So 20 minus
7.
okay, should we go straight to the point? Let's add this, but you want to show more working. So you can say 20 minus into bracket, then we add all of this, which is 2 plus 9 plus what? 6. Then we close this bracket. This is for A, plus another bracket. This shows more working. You understand? Plus another bracket. Where is it? 16 minus what? 16 minus 2 plus 9 plus what?
And 1.
Plus 1. Then you close this bracket. Plus 60 minus 60 minus 6
plus 9
6 plus 9
plus 1.
plus 1. Okay. So here is it. That's all. After that, then you close it like this. So let's solve this one. This one will be what?
17.
17. So here will be 17. So 17 minus 20. 20 minus 17 is what?
3.
3. So we'll be having here 3. I want to solve it because the space is small. 3 plus then this one. This side 60 minus 12. That is what? 4. Plus this side is 60 minus this is 6 plus this one is also 60, right? So this one will be 0. So here is 0. So it means you'll be having 7. So it means 7 students studied at least one subject. 7 students studied at least one subject. Next question. Exactly 1. We are done with exactly 1.
Yeah. What is the probability that a student chosen at random from the class does not play any of the 3 games?
What is the probability that students chosen at random
from their class
from a class
not study any of the 3 games?
doesn't study any of these 3 games? So now, if a student doesn't study any of these 3 games, it means the student will be here. So we have to represent a variable here as well. Maybe A, B, C. Here will be D. Here will be D, region D. So after, let me erase this side. As you are solving, I have to erase some so that you'll be able to solve it there. So you have to also, since you've introduced another D in the diagram, you have to also go up there, then write. So this D, we can say number of F union H union C complement, right? Right? Are you here? I'm talking too loud.
No.
Okay. So this one, we want to represent this, so you can say where you've written let and other things. You will say number of F union H union V. F union H union what? V equals what? Complement. Complement means those who are not in here. Those who are not in here. Equals what? D. So that the examiner will also know. So let this one be D. And when it's already there, you won't write any let here. Let me erase it. So let's solve that. Let's solve for that one. For us to get that one, we already know that number of U is what? 30. If number of U is 30 and you have all of this side, all of this number, you can easily get D. So we have here 9. We have here 2. This is B, right? This is B. So we can say that for us to get that, we have to deduct all of this one from what? From the U. So I can say that those number of those who studied none. Those who studied none. Studied. Is it correct? So number of those who studied none, it will be equal to number of U minus number of what?
Number of the one that is written there.
That is what? F union H union V. So it will be number of this u minus all of this one here. That would be the answer. So we have a u already. For us to solve it faster, you can take this one aside and then look for that one. After that, you come and deduct it from it. Do you understand? Okay, so we can, let's find for this one number of f union h union v is equal to number of f union h is equal to, let's go, this is a. How can we get, okay, we can do it this way. We are adding all of this in the set, right? So we can take the whole of f here.
We had 3.
Pardon?
We had 3.
No, not a, the whole of f.
Okay.
So you can take the whole of f. What is the whole of f? 20. After that, you come and add this 3 to it. You understand? So you can say that it's equal to 20 plus, this is 20, right? So you can say this is 20 plus you can take your time. Then we solve for A, B, C, and D. A, B, or A, B, C. You can take your time and solve for A, B, C. Then, so that it will be easy for us to go with it. You understand? So let's take our time and then do that. So let's solve for A. You will solve for A somewhere else. So if I'm solving for A, you know that A is equal to 20 minus 9 plus, this one you've done it already, right? We had 3. Then you solve for B. So we got A to be 3, B to be 4,
Then C to be 0.
then C to be what? 0. So here, this is what you are going to do. We are supposed to find for those who are here, those who are in D. So we have this one already. I said we can do it this way. We take this one, which is F, the whole F. The whole F is here, in this circle. The whole F is this circle. As a matter of fact, when you take this circle, you add this B here plus 1 plus what? C. We know B to be what? 4. So it means that we'll be having 4 plus 1 plus 0, right? So here is going to be 4 plus 1 plus 0. To which we are going to get what? 25. So it means that we've gotten number of those who study F union H union V to be what? 25. After getting this one will be simple. Then you deduct this one from what? The U, right? So here you are finding those who studied none. So you deduct this one from the U. So you can, this one, you will solve it somewhere else. Then come and continue with this one. So you got 25. So we can say it's equal to 30 minus what? 25. Letting us get this one as what? 5. Here is it. That's all. That's all the question.
What is the probability?
Please read it louder. We can't hear. Read it louder.
What is the probability that a student chosen at random from the class does not study any of the 3 games?
What is the probability that student choosing what?
From the class does not study any of the 3 games.
Okay, so after getting this 5, we are finding the probability of those who studied none of them, right? So after getting this one will be this one out of the what? The total. So the probability, you just write the probability is going to be the probability is going to be 5 out of 30, which is the same as 1 out of 6. That's it. That's the answer. Is that all? That's all the question. I'm coming to give you more questions so that you try. Now you understand. You can solve any question in this one. Amen.
Easy.
You can solve any question in this way. So we are done with three set problem. We are done with three set problem. I'll post more questions on that on this channel. I'll post more after this class, and then I want you to also join us in the WhatsApp group. Click on the WhatsApp link below in the description. When you go to the channel, you see that there is a WhatsApp link there. Click on it, and then it will join you to the WhatsApp group. I'll be posting more questions in there for us to solve and then discuss it. When you come tomorrow, then I will do what? I will mark it.
Isn't
Everyone. Okay. You're hungry. What's the time?
9:39.
Okay, so let's go out for break for a while. When you come back, I will introduce geometry 1 to you. Geometry 1. We are going out for break, and this break is maybe 5 minutes to 10 minutes break. After that, we go to what? Geometry 1. Thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Share it to all school channels, and then all your friends, post it on your status so that people will join us. Thank you. Bye bye. Peace out.
Bye bye. Peace out.
Hello guys, we are back. Um, we are back. We're about to start with the other one. Let's check the microphone. Yes, we are back. Okay, I hope you can hear me. Let me check the sound from here. Let me check it. You can hear me. You can hear me. Okay, so with the angles or geometry, we are coming to do geometry 2, right? Geometry 2 is not a difficult topic at all. Let's take it to. I don't like writing topic. Yeah, so it's about circles. We already talk about, first of all, you have to know the part of the circle. I'll go fast a bit because uh, my my princess said because I'm hungry. Yes, because I'm hungry. So I have to go fast a bit. You go really fast, fast, fast. So the circuit term is not a difficult topic. It's very simple. I'm coming to teach you in a simple way that you can remember it even when you die. Remember it in your grave. Amen. So let's go. So the circuit term is really interesting topic. But first of all, you have to get to know some. If you haven't done geometry 1 and then you are coming to do geometry 2, it will be some way for you. So let me know if you haven't done geometry 1, so that I will do geometry 2 for you, geometry 1 for you before you come here. The circuit theorem, you have to know some properties of circle. You know that for circle the distance around it is called what? It's called what? Circumference or or perimeter, right? So circumference or so circumference or perimeter. This is the center of a circle. Everybody knows it's called center. We have this one, and when a line is drawn from this side to the center, the side to the center is called what? From the side to the center is called what? Radius. When it continues to the other end is called what? It's called what? Diameter. When a line is drawn from one side of the circle to the other side of the circle, what's the of a segment? A chord, yes. So this line is called chord. And then now the area bounded by two radius. The area bounded by two radius. This is two radius. This is one radius. This is one radius because this is the center. Okay. So you are bounded by the two radius and then two radii and then an arc. This is the arc. It's called what? It's called what? This one is usually like this. It's usually like this. It's called what? Sector, but it's the same thing as this because this. No, it's not always that the shape should be. It's based on the line. Everything is based on the line. So this is straight, all those straight, but it's not a segment. It's a sector because it's bounded by what? A radius, two radii, and then an arc. And then this one too is bounded by a chord and then what? An arc. This chord. No, the area. This is different from this because this is what? Radii. This is not radius. This is chord plus arc. So the area, this is sector, right? And this is sector. What is this? This is not sector.
Segment.
This will be segment because this is bounded by because this is bounded by a chord and an arc. That's all. That's all. This is all about circle. So now let's move on straight to the circuit theorem. We have a lot of properties in the circuit theorem, but I don't go by the properties. I go in a way that they won't ask you say the first property or say the second property. They won't ask you that question in mathematics. Any of these questions, they won't ask you that question. So I want you to do this. I would like us to go straight to the point, teach you some of the properties. So whenever you have a circle, and then you have all of them on a chord. Whenever you have a circle, you have all of them on a chord. So this is a circle, and you have all of them on a chord, one chord. And you have triangles on a chord. The base are on one chord. Are you listening? So this circle, this chord, for instance, this is the center. When I have triangle like this, I have triangle like this, another triangle from here to here. So this is the chord. This is the chord. Yes, this is the chord. So whenever you have, even if the triangle is small, like this, and then it goes this way. Since all of them are on one chord, the angle, listen to the what? The angle that falls between this side. Sorry, a mistake, big mistake. It has to define it well. Now, whenever you have this not part, whenever you have a chord and then you have a triangle, it tip touches the circumference. So whenever you have a triangles on the same chord and then the tip of it, or if I find, I will say yes. So it tips touches the circumference. It touches the circumference of the circle, and then the tip of it touches the circumference of the circle. So even if it's like this, if it moves from here to here, I look watching like this, it's part, because the tip have touch the circumference. Even if it's like this, from here they go straight from here up to here. It's the same. Even if it's like this, if it's small, it still touches like this. It's part. Now, whenever you have triangles like this, all the angle here, in other words, all the angle that is bounded by the two sides of the triangle, this side, this side, this side, this side are the same. Yes. The way I'm shouting, a comparison with the and that's my okay. It's important. All the man water. It was a water moment. Hey, my friend said, look more. Yeah, I was saying that whenever you are like you're doing this side, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle is the same. Oh, sorry. So this side, when the triangle touches the circumference, this side, all the angles are there. In other words, when I give you a question, and then can I erase it? So when I give you a question, and then I say this is it, this side. So if I give you this triangle here, and I give you another, since it touches it, and I give you another triangle here, When I give you this side, if this side is 30 degrees, what will be this side? 30 degrees. That's it. That's all. That's all. That's all. If this side is 30 degrees, this side will also be what? 30 degrees. That's all. If this side 30, 30, how about this side? How about this side? Also 30 degrees. That's all. That's the circuit table. Circuit table amazing. That's all. That's all. Because this is bounded on the same what? Chord. You understand? Yes. Now see, I can give you a question, but I won't give you a chord. Like this, I can give you a question like this. And I'll ask you for this angle and then this angle. AB. Now, whenever you are given a question on circuit theory, there are some parts that you have to indicate some chords. They are hidden chords. Hidden chords. I'm saying chord. Line now. And there are some hidden chords that they won't ask you or they won't draw it for you. But as a smart student, you have to draw it yourself with broken lines. So there is a chord here, but they won't give you the chord. So you have to indicate it yourself. You understand? There's a chord here, but they won't give it to you. You have to indicate it yourself. So this is one chord. This is another chord. Have you seen? But in this case, since we are asking for this one, since they are asking for this chord is not necessary. This one is not necessary. So when you indicate it like this, you redraw the question again. You indicate it here. That's all. After then, what you do next? Yes. Then after indicating it, you see that this triangle here is the same as this triangle, right? Let me take it for instance. This has been given as 30 degrees. This has been given as what? 30 degrees. Then if here is 30 degrees, what should be here? 30 degrees. Fantastic. That's all. That's all. So whenever you're given a question, you try as much as possible. You should try as much as possible to I'm coming. Let me check. Let me inform the group members that you are still on live. You are still on live stream. If you haven't joined, you can join right now. Really excited academy. So it's 10:10. Let's continue fast. Let's continue fast. But today we have a lot of things to learn. Okay, so let's continue. So that's do you understand this law now? This is 151. Now whenever you're given a question, so for instance this one, you have another circle. So this is another circle. Doesn't matter. This is another circle. Whenever you're given a question, then it has a center. All of them it talks about chord here. This is the center. And then whenever you're given a triangle like this, a big triangle like this, a big triangle like this, yes. Sorry. I don't want to do it this way. It will be okay. Let me do it this way now. And so when you're giving a question like this, and then you have a triangle like this, This one triangle. This triangle touches all the 8 vectors. When I talk about vectors, you understand? What does it mean? The corner, corner beef. Yes, the corner. So the corner side, whenever the corner side touches the circumference, all the 3 corner sides or the vectors, it touches it, and then now there's another triangle which touches the center. That one, it touches the center, but it doesn't touches the what? The up here. Have you seen? It falls on the same chord. It does what? Falls on the same chord. Fantastic. So now it falls on the same chord with the bigger triangle, and then this one touches this one doesn't touch it. That's the difference. What's the difference? What's the difference between this triangle and this triangle? Let's do. I can't see it. Talking to your boyfriend. Talk well. Let's go.
One touches the circumference,
One touches the circumference, one does not. But this one touches the circumference.
It doesn't touch the upper circumference over there.
Upper part of the circumference.
Yeah.
No, say it well. Maybe one vector doesn't touch what? The circumference.
Oh yeah.
Now, so when you're giving this triangle, for instance, oh, your open here. We will close and then we will continue tomorrow. So now I want to teach you 4 properties. Then you go home with it. 9. So with this one, see, if this is this side here, the angle here is half of this angle. So if this is A, here is going to be what?
Half of it.
Hey, listen to what I said. This angle here is half of this angle. In other words, this angle here is half of this angle, right? The angle here will be 2 times of this angle. Is it clear? Is it clear? So the angle here is what? Half of this angle, and then the other angle here is what? 2 times of what? This angle. So if this is here, it will be what? 2A. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That's the property. This one too, you should take note that they can remove the chord. They can choose not to. They'll give you a question like this. They will ask you to find. They'll give you here, maybe here is 160 degrees. Then you should find here. You should indicate a what? A chord there, so that you can able to what? Do it. So if this is 160, here is going to be what? Hello? Here is going to be what? Here is going to be.
Is that 160?
Yeah. Here is going to be.
Here is going to be I don't know.
What will you do here? What will you
80.
do? 80 years. I've told you that don't tell me you don't know anything. Oh, I will try. Let me try. Oh, that's interesting. Whenever you say you don't know, it makes you sound weird. Yes.
Let me copy it.
So that's it. That's all about this property. The next property, you said you want to copy? Let's hurry up. This one, do you have to make up now? The next property. The next property. We are going to talk about another property here. The other property about the circuit theorem. The circuit theorem is not difficult. So I will teach you all that you can be able to solve any question. Any circuit theorem will not be burden for you. Any circuit theorem will not be burden for you. If you are watching this video, you are really lucky. We will stop. I want to teach 4 properties. Tomorrow we solve more questions on that, and I'm continuous with it. And after that, I will advise you on the geometry 1 as well. Geometry 1 as well. Math itself is not difficult too. It's based on your mindset. You have to accept that it's not difficult. That will make difference. You have to accept that it's not difficult. So always, for their classes, in the morning, early morning, you start 7 o'clock. If you come and then if you open your YouTube and then you don't see the link, I'll post the link on the platform, so you can join WhatsApp group. Whenever I start class, I share the link with them, and then when you subscribe to, you get the link, then you click on it and you join us. Try as much as possible to share it to all friends, all colleagues in other schools. Even if you don't know the person and you realize that the person is a student, it's good for you to share it to the person because you're going to benefit the person very, very well. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue here. So this is secretariat, right? So we are done with this one. Let's move on to the next one. I was confused. So when I'm hungry, I become police. So now the next property is this. If we have a circle, this one we can prove it to. Tomorrow I'll prove all the laws. I'll prove all the laws to you. How they came about. Tomorrow. Yes. So now this, if we have a circle, this is the center, and you have a quadrilateral, whereby the quadrilateral, it touches all the circumference. The vertices touches all the circumference. So for instance, this is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? What's a quadrilateral? What's a
Four-sided.
Four-sided what? Fantastic, my girl. Good, my girl. Good, my girl. Let me clap for you. Let me clap for you. Let me clap for you. I'm clapping for my princess. Okay. So here, if you have a quadrilateral, if you have a quadrilateral like this, and then so any quadrilateral, this one is for any quadrilateral. And then another thing that you should know, that the quadrilateral should touches all the sides of the what? Of the circle. In other words, the circumference of the circle or the perimeter of the circle. Yeah, should touches it. Whenever you have a quadrilateral like this, the angle here, if this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Are you watching? The angle here, see the opposite angles. A plus B should give us 180. A plus B should give us what? I didn't say it should be the same. I said it should give us what? 180. That's it. So A plus B should give us 180. So if A plus B should give us 180, should also give us 180. C plus D. That's another law. It should give us what? It should give us what?
180.
180. Yes. So this is the third law. The last law we are going to talk about it. It's very, very simple. The last law is very, very simple. The second term is not difficult at all. I said I will teach you the topic in a way that you will, when you see a question, you will even chuckle or laugh. Yes, the question is the second term is not difficult. Okay, so I've trial questions for you to go and practice with the properties I've taught now. Then tomorrow we continue from there. So have you gotten this one now? The next property is like this. And then tomorrow, so I'll prove all of them. I'll prove all the laws, how it came about. So this is, if this is a circle, you'll be having, this is the center. This is the center of the circle. And then yes, I remember something. So if you have a circle like this, and then you have a diameter. With this one, a triangle that you are coming to draw is on the diameter. The base have to be a diameter. Do you understand? The base of it, this side should be, so triangle, a chord, two chords which meet, and you have two chords that meet on the diameter. So like this, if there are two chords, that this is the diameter, and you have two chords like this, This side is 90 degrees. You should take note of it.
So where is the chord?
You know that a chord to another circumference, right? So now this is a chord, true or false. This is another chord, true or false.
That is a chord.
Why is not a chord?
A chord. What?
No, it's not too small. Even if you have these shapes that I'm drawing, is not drawn to scale. When I say it's not drawn to scale, I didn't take ruler or many measurements. You see, so there might be mistakes. So if you have even a small line from here to here, since it's from one side of the circumference to the other side without passing through the center, it's called, yes, it's called a chord. So in other words, when I do like this, see, when I draw another chord here and another chord here, the angle here is what? 90 degrees. You understand? When I draw another chord here, another chord here, the angle here is what? 90 degrees. When I draw another chord here, another chord here, the angle here should give us what? 90 degrees. You should take note of this too. I wish I can teach another property too. At this time, I'm also hungry. So tomorrow we'll continue. Please try as much as possible to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel now. If you haven't subscribed, join. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. Yes. How do you do it?
Write this one.
Okay, you want to write and take notes of it. So if you have, you can say that when you have two chords, or when you have a triangle, when you have a triangle where the base diameter, where the base is diameter, and then its vertex, and then its vertex, and then its vertex, yes, and then its vertex, okay, and then its vertex touches the circumference. That's it. 9 touches the circumference.
Then it leaves a two chord.
Yeah, its vertex touches. Even there, when we draw a triangle like this, you see this triangle. This is a triangle, right? This is a triangle, right? So this is a chord. This is a chord. And so after that, you can take note of also that. So when the other side, when the vectors, its vectors touches the what? Circumference. You can say when all the, but when all the vertices, you can say that one. When all the vertices touches the circumference. When all the vertices touches the circumference.
The angle from the 90 degrees.
Pardon? The angle bounded by the angle bounded by the two other sides. The angle bounded by the two other sides, which are also called chords. Or let me say, which are also chords. Which are also chords. Which are also called chord. I'm barely say chord. Like CHORD chords. Which are also chords. So I said the angle bounded by the two other sides, or which are also called chords, is 90 degrees. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It's 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees. Okay, so I think that's all. We will end the class for today, and then okay, I said I will give you trial questions on the first this one, right? So this is the question. So let me give you these trial questions. I have some questions here. Okay, got it. Here's center O. Center O. Can name this vertices to Q, R, S. This is X. This is P. We are looking for X. The questions are not difficult at all. So these questions, it will check your understanding, um, check your understanding in geometry 1, in geometry 2, both of them. Yes. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Okay. If you don't understand it, so let me know in the comment section. I'm going to help you out with it. So if you can go and do revision on geometry 1, okay, and I'm talking to you.
Okay.
Whom do you think I'm talking to?
Who are you talking to?
To them.
Yeah.
Oh, you are part of them. Okay. The N is called my, like the whole world, one princess in the world. The center O. I think the light will plate up here. Okay. So I shouldn't be writing there. Okay. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me see. Okay, that's 45. You can see it. You can see it clearly. This is 35. This is 35. This is 45. Here is 65. This is 65. 45, 35, 35. Hey, this is 30. Sorry. 30, 35, 40. Y. This is Y. This is X. Yes. And this is also X. This is X. I've given 4 questions, right? I want it to be 5 so that it will be. And the question is difficult. Are they difficult? Uh-huh. I think let's give a try to this question too. Are you done with this one?
Yeah, I'm not coming to this one.
Okay. This is not drawn to scale. It's not drawn to scale. Whenever you are given a diagram question, it's not drawn to scale. They will even sometimes write it. They will even sometimes write it that is not drawn to scale. So don't see something and then assume it's this angle. No. O is the center. The O is the center. O. So this side is O. This is the center. This is the center. Here is this angle is 204 degrees. This is 204 degrees. This is 54 degrees. 54 degrees. This is X. Here is X. This side is X. Now here we are naming here P. Here is P. Here is Q. Here is R. Here is S. This side is S. So now you have 5 questions now, right? Do you have 5 questions now?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Okay. I was checking the microphone.
Hello.
I think we end the class for today. And then please take note that I need to say something here. Oh, if you're not done writing the question, let me excuse you. You can pause it and then you can go back and then go and pause it. Uh-huh. Okay, please take note that NOVDEC is coming soon. I left it I think 3 days now. Oh, 3 months. 3 months, right? Yeah, I left it 3 months now to NOVDEC. And NOVDEC is not easy. Me, it was really easy for me because I learned. So whenever you learn, things become easy for you. I'm going to teach you the strategies, how to even study, how you can go about it. It's going to be simple. I promise. Yeah. So if you just want to pass, that's all. If you just want to pass and then pass well, not just pass, pass and pass well. Yes. If you want to just pass and pass well, join Brain Insight Academy, and then share it to friends, share it to school groups. It's not for only of their candidates. It's for all everything about academics. All quiz students are in here, and then there are lots of things that you will do. I'm going to teach you tricks, how to do calculation faster, fast, like a lot. I don't have enough words to I don't have enough words to explain everything or tell you everything. Yes. So, but you are going to do a lot on this channel. It will be more than school. What you do in school. I have my princess here. My princess, they want to see you. They want to see you. This is my princess. This is my princess. She's really doing well in this class. So I want you to join this class. Okay. Have a good day. Peace out. Bye bye.